What's up guys, Andrew down at Newport Richey Harley-Davidson. Today we got this 2023 Tri Glide in Prospect Gold and Vivid Black. Why don't you come in a little bit closer and check it out.
The Tri Glide comes equipped with dual disc floating rotor front brakes. Also comes with a front steering dampener for safety. The Milwaukee 8 in this configuration comes with 2 radiators on the lower fairings to cool that top end of the motor. It comes equipped with daytime run lights that you can turn on or off. Floorboards for both rider and passenger for ultimate comfort. The Tri Glide has both a trunk and a Tour-Pak with a combined 6.8 cubic feet of total volume. Comes with a 6-gallon fuel tank. The exhaust system is a 2-into-1-into-2 with tapered exhaust tips. Tri Glide comes equipped with a boombox, 6.5-inch display, has Bluetooth and GPS capabilities.
Thanks for walking around this bike with me today. If you like this bike and want to see more motorcycle content, make sure you subscribe. Come check out this bike. This bike is beautiful. It's an amazing color. If you want to take it for a ride, bring your riding gear down to Newport Richey Harley-Davidson and take this thing for a ride. Come check it out at hdflorida.com.